Discover 20 amazing woodworking tools on Amazon. You need now. Innovative, time-saving gadgets that take your craftsmanship to the next level. From precision cutting and measuring to advanced clamping and sanding solutions, these tools are designed to make every project easier, faster, and more professional. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned woodworker, these game-changing tools will revolutionize your workshop and elevate your woodworking experience. Cen-Tec Quick Click Power Tool Dust Collection. The Cen-Tec Systems Quick Click Power Tool. Dust Collection Kit is an efficient solution for maintaining a clean and dust-free workspace. Designed with universal compatibility, it connects easily to most major power tool and vacuum brands, including DeWalt, Makita, Bosch, and ShopVac. The kit features a durable, crush-proof, and flexible hose with smooth airflow and a 360-degree swivel to prevent kinks. Its quick connect adapters form a secure airtight seal, while the adjustable air relief allows precise suction control. Optional accessories include cyclonic dust separators, wall-mounted hose reels, and anti-static hoses for enhanced performance and easier workshop maintenance. Slipstick Bench Universal Work Grippers. The Slipstick CB700. Universal bench grippers are innovative, multi-purpose work supports designed to hold, raise, and protect workpieces during sanding, sawing, painting, and assembly. Featuring a high-traction, non-marring surface, they provide a firm, scratch-free grip without the need for clamps. Each gripper can support up to 1,000 pounds, making them ideal for heavy-duty projects. Their stackable design allows for additional height and clearance, while included painter's points let you finish all sides of a workpiece easily. Durable, easy to clean, and versatile. These grippers are perfect for woodworking or as anti-slip pads under furniture, tools, and machinery. Seika Mini Multifunctional Table Saw. The Seika Mini Multifunctional Table Saw is a compact and versatile desktop tool, perfect for model making, crafts, and small DIY projects. Designed to cut a range of soft materials, it also supports sanding, engraving, and polishing with its included accessories. Powered by a 100-watt pure copper motor delivering up to 6,000 RPM and 7 adjustable speed settings, it ensures precision and control. The flexible shaft accommodates drill heads from 0.5 to 3.2 millimeters, ideal for detailed work, with adjustable cutting angles 0 degrees to 90 degrees, variable depth up to 16 millimeters, and multiple blades for different materials. It's a complete all-in-one workstation for hobbyists and makers. GreatNeck Precision Bar Clamps. The GreatNeck Precision Bar Clamps are reliable tools for light-duty woodworking, construction, and DIY projects. They feature a convenient twist locking mechanism for easy one-handed operation and deliver around 300 pounds of clamping force, ideal for gluing, assembly, and light repairs. The non-marring rubber jaws protect surfaces, while comfort grip handles reduce hand fatigue. With compact, durable designs and 90-degree jaw angles, these clamps ensure stable, precise holds. Available in multiple sizes, 6 inches, 12 inches, and 18 inches, and pack options, they offer flexibility for various tasks. Each model is backed by GreatNeck's limited lifetime warranty, ensuring long-term value and dependable performance. R06 G-band saw urethane tires. The R06 Urethane bandsaw. Tyres are a durable, high-performance upgrade from traditional rubber tyres, offering easy, adhesive-free installation and exceptional longevity. Their stretch-to-fit design allows simple mounting. Just soak them in hot water for flexibility. Made from premium urethane, they resist cracking, drying, and wear, ensuring years of reliable use. The uniform thickness enhances blade tracking and cutting precision, while the high-friction surface prevents slippage for smoother operation. The bright blue colour makes wear inspection effortless. Available in multiple sizes, including an 11-inch version for the Shopsmith Mark V, R06G, tyres deliver improved performance, safety, and efficiency for any bandsaw. JessEm's Wood Sabre Marking Gauge. The JessEm Wood Sabre Marking Gauge is a precision-engineered tool crafted for accurate and repeatable woodworking layouts. Ideal for marking joinery and scribing lines, it combines quick-setting detents with a fine micro-adjuster for ultimate control. The laser-etched scales ensure easy, precise readings, available in both imperial and metric versions. Its hardened A2 steel blade delivers clean, sharp lines and can retract for safety. A wide stainless steel reference face provides excellent stability, while the anodized aluminum body ensures durability. Ergonomically designed for comfort and control, it also includes a wall-mounted aluminum bracket for secure, convenient storage in any workshop. Infinity Cutting Tools. Stile Router Bit. The Infinity Cutting Tools. Stile Router Bit is a premium tool designed for creating precise cope and stick joinery in cabinet doors and frame and panel projects. Crafted from CNC machined, high-strength steel and fitted with micro-grain carbide cutters, it delivers smooth, accurate cuts and long-lasting sharpness. The bit's anti-kickback geometry ensures safer operation, while its PTFE non-stick coating prevents resin buildup for cleaner performance. Offering multiple profiles like OG and Shaker and available in full or mini sizes, it suits various woodworking styles. With standardized 1/4 inch tongue and groove joints, easy setup and adjustable shims, it ensures professional, perfect fitting results every time. Einhell Cordless. Jigsaw. The Einhell Cordless Jigsaw. Range delivers cordless freedom, precision, and versatility for DIY enthusiasts and hobbyists. Part of the Pow-R-Tek family, these jigsaws share batteries with all 18-volt and 36-volt Einhell tools, maximizing efficiency. They feature adjustable pendulum action for fast or fine cuts, tool-free blade changes, and variable speed control for different materials. A dust blow-off function and LED light ensure clear visibility, while the adjustable shoe allows bevel cuts up to 45 degrees. Premium models with brushless motors, like the TPJS 18/135 LIBL, offer greater power, longer runtime, and cutting depths up to 135 mm for professional quality results. Laguna Tools Revo Lathe. The Laguna Tools Revo Lathe series is a premium line of wood-turning machines built for precision, power, and durability. Featuring pulse width modulation, PWM, motor control. These lathes deliver consistent torque at any speed, ideal for turning large or unbalanced pieces. Each model includes an electronic variable speed drive with a digital readout, a solid steel bed for stability, and a sliding headstock for flexible operation. With heavy cast iron components that minimize vibration, forward/reverse functionality, and an indexing system for accurate positioning, the Revo series suits both hobbyists and professionals. Models range from the compact Revo 12 to 16 to the heavy-duty Revo 24 to 36. INGCO 3-in-1 staple gun. The INGCO 3-in-1 staple gun HSG 1405 is a durable heavy-duty fastening tool ideal for upholstery, flooring, and DIY projects. Designed for versatility, it supports 3 fastener types: crown staples, U-shaped staples, and brad nails, offering wide application flexibility. Its adjustable driving force lets users fine-tune power for different materials, ensuring precision and preventing surface damage. Built with an all-steel body, it delivers strength and longevity for professional and home use. The quick jam release mechanism minimizes downtime, while their ergonomic handle provides comfort and control. A safety lock feature ensures secure storage, and included fasteners allow immediate use right out of the box. BMWOOD Woodturning Steady Rest. The BMWOOD Woodturning Steady Rest MCFS7 is a durable roller-based support system built to stabilize long or thin spindles on a wood lathe. Constructed from 5mm thick steel, it minimizes vibration and ensures steady, accurate turning. Its 3-point rubber-coated roller system provides smooth, non-marking support, while tool-free arm adjustments make setup quick and easy. With a wide adjustable capacity, 0.4 inches to 7.8 inches, and compatibility for 12, 14, and 16-inch swing lathes via spacer blocks, it offers exceptional versatility. Ideal for turning chair legs, table legs, or similar spindles. The MCFS7 enhances safety, precision, and control for both hobbyists and professionals. JessEm Pow-R-Tek SR Router. The JessEm Pow-R-Tek SR Router is a professional-grade 3¼ horsepower spindle router designed for precision, durability, and smooth performance in router table setups. Engineered for demanding woodworking tasks, it features variable speed control from 10,000 to 22,000 RPM, a digital display, and electronic feedback circuitry to maintain consistent speed under load. Its heavy-duty motor casting and high-performance bearings ensure stability and long life, while the redesigned cooling system prevents overheating. With ER-style collets for maximum accuracy, a soft start feature, and no volt safety switch, the Pow-R-Tek SR delivers outstanding control, reliability, and performance for serious woodworkers and professionals. Microjig GRR-RIP. The Microjig GRR-RIP block is a high-performance push block engineered to enhance safety, precision, and control during woodworking operations. Ideal for use with table saws, jointers, bandsaws, and router tables, it features the signature green G RRRRIP non-slip material, offering unbeatable traction while allowing dust to escape through its grooved surface. The auto-retracting smart hooks provide secure control during the final stages of a cut, preventing kickback. A 90-degree flip guide supports both horizontal and vertical applications, while the ergonomic ambidextrous handle ensures comfort and control. It's also compatible with accessories like the deflector/connector shield for added safety and versatility. Kreg Concealed Hinge Jig. The Kreg Concealed Hinge Jig, KHIHINGE, is a precision tool that simplifies the installation of 35mm concealed or Euro style cabinet hinges. Designed for both professionals and DIYers, it ensures accurate, repeatable hinge cup holes without the need for a drill press. Featuring built-in indexing tabs, measuring scales, and adjustable cams for precise offset settings, it provides perfect alignment every time. The included 35mm carbide-tipped Forstner bit with a depth stop collar guarantees clean, consistent drilling. Its durable glass-filled nylon base offers long-lasting use, while its compatibility with any hand drill makes it a time-saving, cost-effective solution for flawless cabinet hinge installation. BILTHARDATTEC log splitter. The BILT hard Attec log splitter, model TLLS65, is a 6.5-ton electric hydraulic splitter designed for efficient home-scale wood preparation. Powered by a 15-amp, 120-volt motor, it delivers reliable performance for splitting hardwood and softwood logs up to 20.5 inches long and 9.8 inches wide. Featuring 2-hand safety controls, a bleed screw system, and an 18-second cycle time, it ensures both safety and smooth operation. Its built-in stand and 5.7-inch wheels enhance portability and comfort during use. Quiet, eco-friendly, and low maintenance, this 98-pound log splitter is ideal for homeowners seeking dependable firewood processing without the hassle of gas engines. Trend hole saw sets. The Trend hole saw sets are premium quality cutting solutions designed for professional trades like electricians and plumbers. Built with M42 8% cobalt high-speed steel teeth, these bimetal hole saws deliver exceptional durability, edge retention, and heat resistance. Their variable pitch tooth form ensures smooth, fast cutting across multiple materials, including wood, metal, plastic, and plasterboard. Each set includes quick release arbors with ejector springs for effortless plug removal and angled ejection slots to improve cooling. The hole saws are housed in a heavy-duty case for protection and organization, making Trend sets a reliable choice for precision, speed, and long service life.